centuries, the majestic ash tree has stood tall across Britain's countryside, shaping myths, medicine, and the land itself. But in recent years, these leafy giants have been under attack, and not by man. An invisible enemy, ash dieback, a deadly fungal disease, has wiped out millions of trees across Europe. Scientists feared Britain's ash population might vanish forever. Quiet corner of England, something extraordinary is happening. Shoots of hope, quite literally, are sprouting. Chapter 1. The ash tree's darkest hour. Ash dieback, caused by the fungus Himenocyphus fraxineus, arrived from Asia and spread like wildfire. Nearly 80% of Britain's ash trees were expected to die. For a time, the outlook was grim. We were looking at one of the most significant tree losses in UK history. Chapter 3. The Great Ash Reboot. Birds, insects, mosses, even bats. So you never miss a story of survival and science? Got a tree story in your area? Comment below. I might feature it in my next episode.